Hi, I'm Dr. Rellis. I want to discuss with you some potential pitfalls and reasons for denials of requests to terminate your past removal order when marrying a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. I'm sharing with you this vital information so that you can address each of these things in your request to terminate your past removal order. You'll be able to avert each of these obstacles when you file your case. Insufficient evidence of a good faith marriage. One common pitfall is providing insufficient evidence that your marriage was in good faith. The USCIS and the immigration courts closely scrutinize marriages to ensure that they have not been entered into solely for immigration benefits. Failing to provide compelling evidence of a genuine marriage relationship can lead to a denial. Failing to address the reasons for the removal order. Requests to terminate a removal order should comprehensively address the reasons for the initial removal order. If you fail to effectively counter or at least mitigate the grounds for your removal, this too can result in a denial. Inadequate legal arguments. Presenting a weak or inadequate legal argument in the motion to the court to terminate your removal order can lead to denials. A well-crafted legal argument is critical, and it should address the relevant laws, regulations, and precedents that support this request. Failure to establish a change in circumstances. Requests to terminate removal orders often hinge on demonstrating a material change in your circumstances. This can be marriage to a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, as well as other changes. Failing to clearly establish and document these changes may result in denials. Lack of evidence of extreme hardship. Extreme hardship is a common standard used to assess requests for relief. If the motion does not provide sufficient evidence of the extreme hardship that would result from the applicant's removal, it may be denied. Incomplete submission of required documents. Incomplete submission of required documents, such as marriage certificates, affidavits, financial records, and other supporting evidence, can lead to denials. Attention to detail and thorough documentation are crucial. Failure to demonstrate good moral character. Requests for relief often require a demonstration of good moral character. Any evidence of fraud, misrepresentation, or other actions inconsistent with good moral character may result in denials. Discrepancies in statements. Inconsistencies in statements made during the application process, interviews, or court proceedings can be a red flag. The immigration authorities may view such discrepancies negatively and deny the request. Lack of professional legal guidance. Attempting to navigate the complex process of terminating a court removal order without the assistance of an experienced immigration attorney and legal team can be a significant pitfall for you. Legal guidance is essential to assess your eligibility, compile compelling evidence for you, and avoid all of these potential pitfalls. Navigating the process of terminating a past immigration court removal order when marrying a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident demands meticulous attention to detail, comprehensive documentation, and legal expertise. Individuals facing such situations are strongly advised to seek the assistance of experienced immigration attorneys and supporting legal teams to enhance your likelihood of a successful outcome for you and to mitigate the risk of denials. The legal complexities involved require professional guidance to navigate you through the intricacies of these applications.